Good morning, everyone. So, our today's topic is management concept and functions of management. So, let us first understand what is management. So, management we can define as an art of getting things done through others so that the organizational goal can be achieved effectively and efficiently. The main function of management are executive and largely govern in the organization. One can include functions of management like planning, organizing, motivating, directing, coordinating, and many more. So, the management carries out the policies and administration throughout the framework of an organization. There are certain importance of management as well, like management can provide guides and control the all the activities in the organization. It provides an framework to utilize all the resources in an organization such as man, machine, material, money, and method. Management can create a vital and dynamic life giving force to an enterprise because it is the main central activity of an organization which all the activities in the organization. Management can tackle business problems and provide tools to rectify these problems. And even uh, management can smoothly runs the changes in an organization due to any external or internal cause. Management can help personality development of all the employees in an organization. So, if we talk about the characteristics of management, first we can see that management is goal oriented, and the main goal of management is to comply with the goals of entire organization. So, management work as catalyst to produce goods using labor, material, and capital. Management is basically a unified force which integrates human and other resources in the organization so that it can harmonize individuals goal to the organizational goal. It is also called science as well as art. Management can be defined as science and as an art. It is an art because the sense of management means coordinating and getting work done through others. On other hand, it is a science in the sense that management techniques are there which can be utilized on the basis of factual data. So these are the objectives of the characteristics of management. However, there are certain objectives as well. So these objectives include to continue supply of capital in the organization for the smooth functioning in the organization, to achieve economic and social objectives in an organization. Even it can contribute the human objectives in the organization as well. So there is a vast variety of objective in an organization. And if we talk about the managerial skills, there are three basic skills which is required overall in organization. These skills are called technical skills, interpersonal skills, and conceptual skills. So the conceptual skill is largely required at top level of management because it contributes the planning part of the activities and strategy making. And the interpersonal skill is involves the human relation or manager's ability to interact effectively with the organizational members. And the technical skill involves understanding and demonstrating the proficiency of activities at the workplace. So these three skills are required in management, and the technical skill is most required at the lower level of management. However, the interpersonal skill is required at all levels of management in an organization. Now we come to the functions of management. Although there are various functions in management like forecasting, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, leadership, communication, motivation, coordination, controlling, decision making. But if you have if you want to have a central idea of functions of management, there are basically 5 functions of management, in which the first and foremost function is planning. So the what is planning? Planning is deciding in advance what we have to do. So planning about all the aspects of production, selling, finance is comes under planning part of management. Planning is basically a process by which a manager anticipates the future and discover alternative courses of action open to him. Planning is a rational, economic, and systematic way of making decisions for day-to-day working of an organization, and even to disable all the difficulties and removing all the hindrance in the organization. Second main function of management is organizing. So organizing is the process by which the structure and the allocation of job is determined. So at the first level of planning, you decide what you have to do, how you have to do. But in organizing phase, you need to collect all the resources, you need to manage all the activities during the uh, organizing phase. The organizing phase also includes coordination of all the activities. Organizing means organizing people, organizing material, jobs, time, etc. Then the one of the main function of management is staffing. Staffing is a process by which a manager select, train, promote, and retire employees in an organization. Staffing involves development and placement of qualified people at various jobs in an organization. So staffing is a continuous process which involves hiring of a person, training and development provided to him, his salary and remuneration part, his performance appraisal, promotion and transfer, or the retrenchment of the employee in an organization. Next important function is directing. So directing involves supervision to the employees, motivating to the subordinates, leadership skills, and communication in the organization. So directing is a process by which actual performance of subordinate can be guided towards the common goal of enterprises. So as we say that directing involves motivating, guiding, supervising the subordinates towards company objective. So direction, one can say that direction may includes giving instructions to the subordinates, guiding subordinates how they have to perform, supervise them to make certain decision making, and make communication about all the activities in the organization, or any communication which comes from top management need to be communicated to the lower level as well. The last but not the least function of management is controlling. So controlling is the process that measures current performance and guide it towards some predetermined goal. See, at the first stage of planning, you plan about something, you estimate about something, but at the end of the execution, in controlling phase, you need to monitor and evaluate whether the goal you have achieved is uh, at par to the plan or not. So controlling involves the monitoring of program activities to make sure that entire objective has been met. Check and examine the output of the organization, see whether they are uh, at par with the standards given or standards made in planning process or not. If there is any disagreement between these two, so we can take corrective actions in the controlling stage. So this is all about functions of management. Thank you.